Look who we're here with. It's only the king of rock and roll.
Where are we?
We're in
Memphis.
More specifically, Beale Street. So, what are we going to go and do in Beale Street? The plan is to go to BB King's and see if we can get something to eat. So we'll go there first, I think, because it gets busy quite late on. So we'll go there first and then see
some Southern barbecue.
Some Southern barbecue. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Anyway,
no,
so with Elvis, where is he? Looking down on us. He shall bless us in our activities of the evening. So all we can say is thank you very much.
Oh my God. Stop right there. No more of that.
Fender Telecaster. Okay, what you got?
I got the King's meatloaf. Meatloaf, fried onions, seasonal vegetables, mash, and a little roll.
Oh my God. And I've got ribs, chicken, coleslaw. I know what that is. Oh, beans, is it? And a red roll. This looks amazing.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Good summer food.
Yeah. You loving BB King? Is it safe to say you enjoyed your meal?
Oh my god. I can't even tell you how delicious that was. I've no words.
I think you said the best meal you've ever had, isn't it?
The meatloaf and wrapped in smoked bacon, then all the vegetables and the mash. Oh my god.
I know,
So
great.
nice.
I say my ribs were great as well. My ribs and my chicken, coleslaw was absolutely amazing. All of it. It's all gone now. Into the gift shop. That's what I had. The barbecue rub. Spring bread. Dinner earlier, and it's actually not too busy now, so we're going to wait a little bit later. But as you see on the previous video, we had a really good dinner and we're really full up still. So that's the world famous BB King's. Let's go down Beale Street. There we go, time for the tap to begin.
Look at this.
Oh, dearie me.
Oh no.
I mean, I'm in heaven.
That looks like Linda Robson.
That looks like Linda Robson. I can't see it myself.
Where his legs go now?
You could possibly want for Christmas.
Oh my god.
Could it be
Nutcracker.
an Elvis nutcracker? Oh my word.
So good.
Bobbleheads.
Oh, Elvis skeleton.
What's that? What's that?
Thriller.
Thriller.
Like
But-
the rap.
First album I ever had, that was.
Was it?
Yeah. And then I wrote on it, on his leg, I put 2 Graham from Michael. So I sport it really.
Not
I said, on that sleeve in there, you got Michael Jackson laying sort of on his side with his leg up, and I wrote on it, on the thigh bit, to Graham, love Michael. So I kind of spoilt the value of it.
Why did you do that?
Don't know, I was young and dumb. Even more dumb. I was a child, don't blame me. Yeah. How'd you find it, Beale Street?
Yeah, love it.
Smiles returning to some miracle. Some miracles. Where y'all from? Not too far away over there.
Okay, so that's little up and down to the street, Beale Street. Not much going on tonight because it is like their version of a bank holiday weekend. It's Labour Day, so quite a few things are shut at the moment. But you still get a sort of a feel for what's down there. I think when it's a lot more packed, it's a lot more things going on and street performers, that kind of thing. So what do you think of Beale Street?
Oh, I like it. I do like it. It's good. It's interesting. I love, but the meal earlier, the food you get here. I mean, I'm sorry to be all about the food, but the food.
Yeah, at BB King's.
Yeah. And we've eaten at that restaurant before as well, over there, Blues Cafe.
Yeah, we've eaten there.
That's amazing as well. So it's just really good for like southern barbecue. It's amazing. So
yeah. Okay. So until next time, where are we going to be?
Well, we just don't know.
know.
It's going to become a thing.
Ooh.
I hate it. Why?
I like it. Tell me if you like the ooh.
No.
Bit of noise can that be a good thing?
It can't be the way.
All right. Shush. Bye then.